Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make a blur background just like this one in Premiere Pro. It's a game changer for adding that professional touch to your videos. So grab your creativity and let's get started. First, we are going to do with a vertical one and then we'll move to the other video as well. I'm going to play this video. You see it's a vertical video. And for the sequence settings, you can see I'm using 16:9 ratio. So I'm going to click OK. And here I'm going to play this video on the timeline. I'll keep the existing settings. Now I'm going to take a copy of this. You can hold the Alt key and drag it on top. Or you can simply press the Ctrl C, bring it up here and Ctrl V to paste. Now go to the effects panel. Here search for Gaussian blur. Apply this blur effect on the bottom clip. Go to the effects control. And also if you can't find these panels here, go to the window and here you can search for the effects control or the effects. Now keep on selecting the bottom one, scale its size until it fits the whole screen. You can adjust its position by sliding this one. Once you're happy with it, let's go to the blur. Here increase the blur to your liking. I'll go with a value for about 50. This one looks alright. Let's play the video. Yeah, this looks good. And this is how you apply the blur effect to your videos. You can make it more better. Go to the effects. Here, search for the drop shadow. Select this one and apply on the clip that is on top. Go to the effects control. Here, select the opacity to 75%. Add a distance to see where the shadow is lying. Here, create the softness until it blends it with the background. Yeah, this one looks alright. So, as you can see, we have added the shadow as well. You can make a necessary sequence and you can apply this transition. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating a stunning blurred background in Premiere Pro. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique style. Just like I added the drop shadow, you can add any other effect to make it look more beautiful. And if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.